Here's how this Happy New Year coaster was printed. It was downloaded from Maker World. The print profile can be opened in Bambu Studio directly. You see the standard printer profile is selected. All colors are already selected. The default process is set to extra fine. Click Preview to slice the model. Let's see how long this print would take. It would take around 3 hours and 23 minutes. Let's go for 0.12 mm layer height instead of 0.06. Click here to slice it again. Now it only takes around 1 hour and 51 minutes. Let's click on the right green arrow here and choose Export Plate Sliced File. Then click on the green button. The sliced file was put on a micro SD card. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. I also printed a 0.20 mm layer height version, which looks better than the 0.12 mm on the right. The channel wishes you a happy 2025. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.